Sing those sullen sandstorms. From parched throats, cackling across the night, the wind song of nocturnal matriarchs rings through hollow canyons. The sandpaper scratching that beckons the nomadic lost. Home, home, never in the desert, home. Never stopping until the winter wood floor caresses sandy feet. Where the geese land safely, where lush growth scents air suitable for swallowing. Dusty-eyed visibility, ears filled with soot, obstructing nostalgia, squinting back toward the wasteland sun, coughing a goodbye to be carried to the empty nests left behind, with dunes in the distance, settled